a story from Rabbi Yitzchak Miberdichov, someone that's at such a high level of Kedusha, it's hard to understand even the story. But it gives us a little perspective of how difficult it is to overcome the bad character trait of stinginess, but at the same token, how someone that has the truth in their hand has to work hard to help people overcome it. So Rabbi Yitzchak Miberdichov one day was told that the yeshiva is in danger, the Talmidim are in danger, we need money fast, we need to come up with $30,000. You know, the beautiful thing is about yeshivot, if they're serious yeshivot, they spend most of their time learning Torah, not collecting money. But that also means when they're collecting money, they need it now. When you have a Torah organization of any kind, collecting, it's usually not every single day. It's usually once a year, twice a year. But they need a bunch ASAP because they've gone to work until pretty much the wheels have fallen off. So Rabbi Yitzchak Miberdichov was told, we need $30,000, an enormous amount of money at the time. We need the Rav to go. If we're going to get this money quickly enough, we need the top. We need you to go. Rabbi Yitzchak, always excited for a mitzvah opportunity, always excited to help Torah. He goes out with several of his students. He says, okay, tell me where to go. You have a list from last year of who donated, and we'll go. And they start going through the list. He goes, oh, no, that guy, don't go this year. One of them said it. He said, wait, who we're not going to? He goes, oh, no, there's this one guy. He's very, very rich, but he never gives. And every year we go to him, and not only does he not give, he makes fun of us. He goes, perfect. Him, I want to go there first. No, for the Rav, he's not going to give. Exactly. For him, I want to go first. What are they going to say? They go. They go to this rich guy's house. Rabbi Yitzchak Miberdichov knocks on the door. The butler opens. He says, yes, I can help you. Oh, I'm here to see so-and-so. He says, what, you're here to collect money? You know, he doesn't give. He goes, no, yeah, I'm here to collect money. He goes, don't waste your time. I know you seem like a reputable rabbi. No, I need to see him. Okay, act at your own, it's at your own risk. He calls the Baal Habayit, the owner. The owner comes. He says, oh, you're here to collect? Yeah, you have a cause? Oh, great. Thanks for coming. Yeah, thank you. He goes into his pocket and he takes out 1 penny. 1 penny. A penny was never worth much, even many years ago. Today, I don't even think it should be in circulation anymore. No one actually uses pennies anymore. I think it costs more money to print a penny, and even a 5-cent coin, than the 5-cent coin is worth. But they still print them, because people are scared of change. But here, Rabbi Yitzchak Miberdichov, he gets the penny, he takes the penny, and he starts dancing and cheering and giving the cheap, stingy, rich man blessings from here till tomorrow. Oh, Chazaku Baruch, Mishe Barach, Et Avotenu, Avraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov, Yivarech Et, and he gives him the name, and he gives him the blessing, and the guy is like, what's good? Crazy. He goes, oh, wow, you like the penny, huh? He goes, yeah, thank you so much. Well, I appreciate it. What a great start. Baruch Hashem. Wow. The guy's like, you want another one? The guy is so enthused about the dancing. He says, you want another penny? Because you would do that? The guy says, yeah, sure. Why not? Goes into the drawer, takes out another penny. Oh, wow, what dancing Rabbi Yitzchak is doing bigger than the first time. Mishe Barach, et Avotenu, he's giving him blessing from here to next week. The guy is so excited, he says, What about if I gave you a quarter? Quarter! Rabbi Yitzchak falls, he starts dancing. Ooh! Whoa, whoa, whoa! He starts dancing. The guy is so excited, he gives him a quarter. He says, okay, this is great. I actually even have, I like you. I like you, Kvod Harav. I like you. I even have $1 for you. Ooh! The guy is dancing. Rabbi Yitzchak is dancing like he just gave him the whole sum. And that's exactly what happens next. He says, Kvod Harav, how much did you say you need? We need $30,000. Because 1 second. The butler comes, brings a checkbook. He writes him a check for the whole sum. The students are baffled. The whole city knows this man is the stingiest man that ever lived in the city. Kvod Harav, how did you break him? How did you break the stingiest man that ever lived in the city? There are legends that speak about this man's stinginess. Rabbi Yitzchak gives us a secret. He says when someone has the Yetzer of stinginess, it has to be somewhere. And I found it. His Yetzer was in the first penny. His Yetzer was physically in the penny. Once I took the penny from him, the Yetzer was gone. Now go enjoy. He's going to give you to no end. And that's exactly what happened. He became the most generous person in the city.